Hey everyone, welcome back to the Autoland. If you love motorcycles, cars, and everything on wheels, you're in the right place. We break down the latest models, explore new features, and take you deep into the details you need to know. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary muscle cars of all time, the 2025 Ford Mustang. The Mustang has always been an icon of American performance, and with this latest model, Ford is pushing the boundaries even further. We'll talk about the design, engine options, performance, technology, and everything that makes this new Mustang a must-have for enthusiasts. Stick around to the end to see if the 2025 Mustang lives up to its legendary name. The Ford Mustang has been a symbol of power, performance, and style since its debut in 1964. Over the years, it has evolved while maintaining its core identity as a true muscle car. The 2025 Ford Mustang takes that legacy to new heights, blending modern technology with raw, unfiltered performance. Whether you're a longtime Mustang fan or someone looking for your first sports car, this new model has a lot to offer. First, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Mustang stays true to its aggressive and muscular look, but with sharper lines and a more aerodynamic shape. The front grille has been refined to improve airflow while maintaining that signature Mustang look. The LED headlights are sleeker, giving it a modern and fierce appearance. Ford has also introduced new wheel designs, with options ranging from 18 to 20 inches, allowing owners to personalize their Mustang's stance. The rear end features an updated taillight design with a more pronounced tri-bar LED signature, paying homage to its predecessors while embracing a futuristic touch. Ford has also focused on improving aerodynamics with functional air vents, an enhanced front splitter, and a more sculpted hood. This not only improves performance but also adds to the car's aggressive appeal. The 2025 Mustang is available in some striking new colors, including bold metallic finishes and matte options that make it stand out even more. Now, let's move on to the engine options. Ford knows that Mustang fans love choices when it comes to powertrains, and for 2025, they've delivered. The base model still features the beloved 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, but it has been reworked to produce more power and better efficiency. Expect around 330 horsepower and 350 pounds-to-feet of torque, making it a great option for those who want a balance of performance and fuel economy. For those craving more power, the iconic 5.0-liter Coyote V8 returns. Now pushing out close to 500 horsepower, Ford has refined this naturally aspirated engine for better throttle response and a more exhilarating exhaust note. The Mustang GT, with this V8, delivers an unforgettable driving experience, whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the track. But Ford didn't stop there. They've also introduced a hybrid variant for the first time in Mustang history. This hybrid system pairs a V6 engine with an electric motor, providing instant torque and improved fuel efficiency. While some purists might hesitate at the idea of a hybrid Mustang, Ford promises that it still delivers the raw muscle car experience with added benefits. And then, of course, there's the high-performance Shelby variant. While Ford hasn't revealed all the details yet, rumors suggest a supercharged V8 making over 750 horsepower. If true, this will be one of the most powerful Mustangs ever built, rivaling even some supercars. Performance is at the heart of the Mustang, and Ford has made sure the 2025 model is more thrilling than ever. The updated chassis and suspension system improve handling, making it more responsive in corners while maintaining a smooth ride. The available MagneRide adaptive suspension adjusts to road conditions in real time, providing the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Ford has also enhanced the braking system with larger, high-performance brakes, ensuring that the Mustang stops just as well as it accelerates. The available Brembo brakes, especially in the GT and Shelby models, provide excellent stopping power for track days and spirited driving. Another big highlight is the transmission options. Drivers can choose between a 10-speed automatic and a 6-speed manual transmission. The manual transmission, in particular, keeps the Mustang's driving experience raw and engaging, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. Let's talk interior inside. The 2025 Mustang takes a leap forward with a more driver-focused cockpit. The digital instrument cluster and large touchscreen infotainment system create a high-tech environment while still maintaining the classic Mustang feel. Ford's latest Sync infotainment system includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded sound system for an immersive audio experience. The seats have been redesigned for better comfort and support, especially in performance models. Recaro Sport seats are available for those who want a race-inspired interior with extra bolstering. The materials inside have also been upgraded, with premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and customizable ambient lighting, allowing owners to personalize their cabin experience. Ford has packed the 2025 Mustang with advanced safety and driver assist features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking all come standard or as options, making it one of the safest Mustangs ever produced. For those who love track days, Ford offers the Performance Pack, which includes track-focused upgrades like a limited slip differential, upgraded cooling systems, and sticky performance tires. This package ensures that the Mustang performs at its best in high-speed conditions. One of the most exciting additions is the new Drift mode. This feature, available on select models, allows drivers to easily initiate and control drifts, making it a fun tool for enthusiasts who love pushing their car to the limits. Now, let's talk about pricing and availability. While Ford hasn't officially announced pricing, experts predict that the base model will start around $32,000, with the V8-powered GT starting near $45,000. The high-performance Shelby variant will likely exceed $80,000, depending on options. Overall, the 2025 Ford Mustang continues the legacy of this legendary muscle car while embracing modern technology and innovation. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily driver, a weekend warrior, or a track-ready beast, the new Mustang has something for everyone. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Ford Mustang. What do you think of the new model? Are you excited about the hybrid version? Or are you all about that V8 power? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth car and motorcycle reviews. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.